Welcome to Micro Sugar Maths. Hi students, welcome to Micro Sugar Maths. Today our topic is complex numbers. Many students are saying that complex numbers are very complicated. Students, today onwards delete the word complicated on complex numbers from your mind. I will make complex number very easy to you for your JEE Mains and JEE Advanced. Students, why complex numbers are introduced? Let us see why complex numbers are introduced. Students, first of all, let us see the solution of the x square minus 4 is equal to 0. On moving minus 4 to right side, you will get x square is equal to 4. Now find out the x is equal to plus or minus square root of 4. Write down square root of 4 value 2 students. Therefore, your x values are plus 2 and minus 2. Students, here we have no any detection on solving this equation. Now let us see what happened on solving the equation x square plus 4 is equal to 0. First move the plus 4 to right side, you will get x square is equal to minus 4. Now find out the x, then x is equal to plus or minus square root of minus 4. Student, what about the square root of minus 4? Here we have now the value of square root of minus 4 because of we can't find out the square root of negative number. That's why here we have a detention, means we have a problem on solving this equation. Now students, I am writing here minus square root of minus 4 as 4 into minus 1 and x is equal to plus or minus root 4 into square root of minus 1. Write down square root of 4 value 2 into square root of minus 1. Now students, if you have square root of minus 1 value, then your required x values are completed. To solving this type of equations, Euler scientist given a value square root of minus 1 as I called iota. He called iota. Therefore, what is I value? Square root of minus 1. Now write down the square root of minus 1 as I, then you will get your x values are x is equal plus or minus 2i. Therefore, the main aim of to finding the main aim of to introducing complex numbers is to finding the square root of negative numbers. Square root of negative numbers, students. Next, students, what is your I value? I is equal to square root of minus 1. Let us see integral powers of iota. First of all, I power 1 you will get I, students. Now I square is equal to square root of minus 1, right? Substitute the I value as square root of minus 1 whole square, which is equal to minus 1. Therefore, what is I square value, students? The I square value is minus 1. Now find out the I cube value. Write down I cube as I square into I, students. Now what is your I square value? I square is minus 1. Substitute the I square value. You will get minus 1 into I. Therefore, our final I cube value is minus I, students. Next, I power 4. I power 4 is equal to I square into I square. Write down I power 4 as I square into I square. Substitute the I square value. I square value is you have minus 1 into minus 1. Therefore, I power 4 value is 1, students. Now students, and adding I plus I square plus I cube plus I power 4. You will get I value, I power 1 value is 1, students. Next, what is your I square value? Minus 1. What is your I cube value? Minus I. And last one, I power 4 value is 1, student. 1. Then what happens, students? What happened? Then you will get all terms are cancelled. All terms are cancelled. You will get 0. Therefore, sum of continuous powers of iota is 0, students. Therefore, I plus I square plus I cube plus I power 4 is equal to 0. In generally, it is written as I power n plus 1, I power n plus 2 plus I plus n plus 3 value is equal to 0. Therefore, sum of 4 consecutive powers of iota is equal to 0. 0 students. On putting n is equal to 1, on putting n is equal to 1, you will get I1. Next, on putting n is equal to, you will get I square, I cube, I power 4. Therefore, its value is 0. Therefore, in generally, sum of 4 consecutive powers of iota is equal to 0. 0 students. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to click on bell icon.